Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add overlay in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my clip right here in my timeline where I want to apply the overlay on. And for this, on the media pool I have this video. I'll just drag it on top of my actual footage. It's just here you can see some lens flares. And now, if you want to use it as an overlay, you have to cut it to the length of your actual clip. Then select it, go over to Inspector, Video, and under Composite, change the composite mode from normal to Add. Now you can see if the opacity is 100, it looks like this. So the effect is pretty strong. For me, for example, 65 I think is enough. Let's play it again. And now you can see the lens flares are a bit in my video, but you can just play around with the opacity here. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to add overlay in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.